To access the hidden menu, turn the ignition on. Now you have to press and hold menu button until you reach the hidden menu. Here you have some diagnostic information such as radio signal level. You can adjust the radio station, finding the best frequency. Here you can see RDS name, if the radio signal is stereo or not, RDS transmission and other diagnostic informations. To exit the hidden menu, press and hold menu button. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.